In this lecture, we're going to be setting up the SSH on a router. So the last one we did was on a switch. This is going to be on a router. First things first, double click on your router, the router, right? And enable, right? Okay, so we want to put our host name in. We want to name our host name something. Well, config, right? Config. And we're going to call our host name, let's call it main, right? Because this is main, so we're going to call it main RTR. RTR, right? Oh, sorry. Host name, main RTR, main router, right? Okay, because it's on Main Street. That's the building, right? We're at, right? So the next thing, you want to configure an IP domain name. Let's see. So IP domain name. Okay. Meshed MESHEDTECHS.com, right? Okay, good. The next thing we want to do is generate some keys, right? So we're going to do crypto. What's our options here? Crypto key, and generate, right? Generate RSA, general keys modules. You're right. And let's call it 1024. That's the last time we did, so that's fine, right? Generating keys. Okay, good to go for that. Generating our SSH keys. Next thing you do is you want to go into the line console. So you go line VTY 0/15. Like I said, there's 15, so that's 15 channels is what that VTY means. Okay, we're going to do a login local. Type that in there. And also so you want to choose the method by which you log in, right? So transport is your method. So actually let's take a look at what it looks like, right? So transport defines transport protocols for the line. So we'll do transport, what's our options here? Input, so our input that's coming into it, right? We'll do SSH, okay. And anything else here? Nope, good, awesome. Okay, so the next thing is to do the username, right? So let's exit out of here, right? We're going to type in username. We're going to define our username, and it's going to be backup, right? Backup, okay. And password, question mark. Let's actually go back here. Let's give it a privilege mode, right? So we'll go privileged, okay, question mark. And we'll give it a 15, right? And what else we got? We got secret. We'll try that, and we'll give it a password. So Cisco is usually the default. Don't do that in production, by the way, but Cisco is usually default on your passwords. Okay, the next thing you do is to enable the SSH, right? So we're going to go back to our line VTY 0/15, right? And we want to do IP, let's see, IP question mark, okay, okay. So it should be actually, let's see, IP SSH version 2. Okay, perfect. Very last thing to do is to put up an IP address on this interface right here. So this interface right here, what is that one called? Okay, we want to cancel that. I don't want to do all that. So let's just see, what is this interface called? FA01, let's move this over. Oh, FA0. FA00, right? So you want to go in the interface and we want to set up an IP address of the interface. It should be in the same subnet as the other ones, right? So let's do that. Let's do interface fast Ethernet 0/0. I believe it was. Let's see here. Was it 0/0? Yeah, it was 0/0. Perfect. Excellent. Okay. So that's good. 0/0. Okay. Enter. And the IP address is going to be 192.168.128. Let's call it 253, right? The other one's 254. Let's call this 253. We'll give it a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Okay, we'll do a no shut. Okay, and let's do a do show IP interface brief. I want to see if it's up or not, right? So that's 0/0, 0/0. Okay, so it's fast Ethernet 0/0. The IP address is the one I just set. The it's okay, yes. The method is status is up. So meaning up and protocol. So that's like a no shut, which turns it up, and then the protocol is up as well. So once you do that, what you'll see is, of course, you have a visual here with your packet tracer. You see that the interface is there. So we can exit out of here, right? Exit out of here. And then we're going to do a write or WR, and then we're going to do a memory. We're going to write to memory. Okay, then we're going to do a copy running config to a startup config. Always do that. Always make it a habit to do those two things frequently and oftenly. That way when you reload it, you don't have to worry about the settings disappearing. Okay, so let's give it a try now, right? Shall we? So let's go on our computer here, and we're going to go to SSH, and we want to SSH into that interface. What is the interface's name again? Let's find it out, shall we? Do show run. I want to know what it is. Let's see, 252. Okay, so 252. So I'm going to do 192.168.128.252. Okay, and backup is the username. Connect. Okay, so I have to figure out what is wrong. Wrong IP. Look at that. So it's 253 instead of 252. Yes, that's right. So let's try that again. 192.168.128.253. Okay, and backup. Backup was our username of choice, right? 253. Okay, let's click connect. Okay. Okay, I think I know the problem here. Seems to be it's a layer 1 issue, meaning the connection, right? So of course I did set my router up, but hey, I forgot to set my switch up. So I just got to identify this port here, FA01. So that's the problem. I need to go in and actually set up my switch. That's the problem right there, FA01. So yeah, so I need to enable it. Oh, enable Cisco. Okay, so we're going to go config FIG. Okay, config. All right, cool. So the interface we're going to go into is interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Actually, what I just thought about this. What I need to do is actually put the interface in VLAN 3. That's what I need to do instead of doing on that. That's what I need to do, because the switch shouldn't care about the IP address, right? It shouldn't matter. It should be just a go through. So let me do that instead. Actually, that's probably that's actually the solution, right? So config, and we're going to go into interface VLAN 3. Enter. Actually, no. We're going to go into the IP address. So interface fast Ethernet 0/1. Okay, so what do we need to do here? We need to do first switch port mode or switch port access. We're going to access it, right? VLAN 3. Need to access that VLAN. Okay, that's the first thing. Then we're going to do switch port mode. Okay, question mark. Mode access. Mode access, right? And then we're going to do, that should be it, I think. So switch port mode, sorry, switch port mode access, and then switch port access VLAN 3. So that should be it. Let's test it out, I think, real quick. Let's go here. So we're going to try to ping 192. We're going to try to ping the computer on the other end, right? So 128 dot, what was it, 2? I think it was 2, I believe it was. Yeah, it was 2, so that's good. All right, fantastic. So that's, our switch is good. While we're here, let's just do some do something nice, which is WR and write memory, right? Want to always do that. So you're going to copy your running config to your startup config. Fantastic. Okay. In case you need to reload it, it's already here, right? So we can close this out here. And so we should be able to, again, we can ping it all day, every day. Good to go. Meaning we're pinging from this router through the switch to this computer here, right? So double click on the machine, computer, and we're going to go to SSH this time. And so our router, or the interface, right? Let's do a show run, right? And we want to access the router. It is 253, right? So that's the IP address right there. So just copy and paste that in. Okay, get rid of that. Okay, and the username is backup. So we just push connect. Fantastic. So Cisco, and we're in. Awesome. Fantastic. So config. Sweet. Awesome. We are good to go. Awesome. So we've now successfully been able to set up SSH on our router, and now we can successfully actually SSH into it from a laptop or a desktop or some type of computer. So thanks for viewing this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel and push the like button. Leave any comments as you like if you want to see more things about these type of things, more Cisco stuff, more networking stuff. Just put it in the comments, or just yep, thanks. So appreciate everybody watching this video, and have a great day.